Oh, boys. We're living the life. Sitting on a beach, drinking a coconut. And it's only Monday. Let's get started with the Monday analysis. Now you guys know what this is. This is the fastest talking analysis that you'll ever see on Monday. We're going to do it as quick as possible. Looking at the Euro USD right now, we do see that the Monday session started off with a nice upward movement. We are actually closing above any reasonable levels here, so I would expect this to go a little bit higher. I am expecting this previous supply zone to be all tested right here before we continue back down. So that is what we're going to be looking for going into tomorrow. On the lower time frame, let's jump this to a 15-minute. We can see possible areas that we're going to be wanting to pull back to coming into the Tuesday session, most likely something right around there. So we're going to be watching for a little bit of sweeps here. You can see some more confirmation of the actual movement being a solid movement going into the London session right here. We see that there was a sweep to catch out those stops right before the actual move. So that gives us strong confirmation that this move is not a fake move, and most likely this is going to continue into the next session, something along those lines. Looking at the yen pair here, the dollar yen, we see a massive wick down here, completely faking a lot of people out, and then just the slow gradual move back up. But this is showing on a higher time frame absolute bullishness, and we're going to continue back up here. It's going to be very, very obvious. So the dollar is going to be quite bullish is what we're thinking going into the start of the week here. And again, we're going to be kind of targeting these areas, and there is actually a level that we'd be interested way up here, right around the 107 area. Now, if we're looking at another yen pair, let's look at the pound yen. We can kind of confirm that the yen pairs are the ones controlling the market in those yen pair setups, where we do see this sweep action here, very similar pattern, and then complete bullishness, nothing really stopping it, and we are looking for a target of up here. So we do have one more day of at least movement, but more likely we're going to even continue way up here as our initial drop off point, where there's a lot of untested orders resting still there. If you do want to look at another dollar pair, we can kind of see the Swissy and the Loonie here showing a little bit of more bearishness, breaking down these lows, and most likely going to be continuing back down here. So that is really telling me that the yen pairs, it's the yen that's really controlling the market here, and it's not actually the dollar, like I said previously, that it's the dollar going to be moving up. It's more likely that the dollar is actually moving down here, and then the yen is just a much stronger movement. And you can see on the euro yen, it goes hand in hand, very, very strong. This move is so powerful. There's so much momentum. It's going to be a little bit difficult for it to stop right here. So most likely it's going to either wick above these tops or test this next order block, just because the momentum's so strong. So most likely we're going to be coming back up here. And that's probably all we have to say about all of the yen pairs. Looking at some of the other pairs, Euro GBP, the Aussie, the Kiwi, they're kind of just going flat right now. We're waiting for the move. It just made a Monday range. So we need to wait for a breakout on either side before we can continue in the trend. We're not completely sure where it's going to be going, because they are kind of all sitting around areas of interest where they could be turning around. So we're just not sure what's going to happen yet. So we'll keep our eye on those for midweek, but that is our biases for the entire week. So if you guys do like this very quick video, that casual analysis, very quick to you so that you can understand what's going to be going on in the market, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and there is going to be more detailed analysis in the live streams. I live stream probably Tuesdays to Friday is more likely thing now, because I'm just not doing it on Monday anymore. I am so lazy on Mondays now, and I didn't even change. I'm just wearing my gym shirt. So I'll see you guys next week for the next Monday analysis.
Listen.